Hello friends, welcome to Fun Drawing with Piyali. Here we show you different type of drawing with fun and easy way. So if you want to learn drawing in a fun and easy way with fun facts, then subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with today's topic. Hey my little buddies, how are you all? I hope you all are good, having a good time and in good health. Today we have a brand new topic and a very cute one. We will make a beautiful, super easy and super cute farm scenery where there is one cow fell off the ground and few birds are there with a pumpkin. So are you all excited? I know you all are excited and can't wait. So let's make a start. So meanwhile we are drawing this cute farm scenery, let's hear the fun facts. Fact number 1. Cows can recognize their names and they have a memory about 3 years. Fact number 2. There are 10,000 species of bird and all birds lay eggs. Fact number 3. Birds are great communicators. You might have heard birds singing and chirping. So they do this chirping and singing for lots of different reasons. So one of the reasons is to warn other birds of danger. And also they do it to scare off the predators. Fact number 4. A farm is a piece of land used to grow crops or raise animals. So people who grow these plants or raise animals, they are called farmers. So this type of work is called farming. And now the last one, fact number 5. Everyone knows that milk helps keep your bones and teeth strong and healthy. But did you know that it takes about 350 squirts from a cow udder to produce just that 1 gallon of milk in your fridge? If you think that's a lot, keep in mind that the average cow produces 7 gallons of milk a day. That's a lot of milking. So my cute angels, we hope that you enjoyed our interesting fun facts and also enjoying our super easy and super cute farm scenery drawing. So till we meet next time with another super easy and cute drawing, watch Fun Drawing with Piyali. drawing. Thank you my little friends for joining in today, and do not forget to subscribe our channel if you like our drawing sessions and you want to learn this fun and easy way of drawing and grow your knowledge with fun facts. We will see you soon with another exciting topic. Till then, stay safe at home. Bye bye.